Alright, what's up guys? So today we on the scooter. I gotta get a new tube. I don't know if she's gonna let me go. Oh, actually, here she is. I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I be scared. Sometimes I be scared going that way. Scared a little bit riding this because I thought I was about to hit that because I fell off it. Like I always say this, bro, like I fell off it like a lot of times, so that's why I'm scared a little bit, guys. There ain't no bike lane over here, so that's why I'm riding on the sidewalk. Going up the bridge. Going across the thing is scary as hell, bro. Like literally scary as hell. Should I get on the other side or should I stay over this side? Oh, you know what? I must just get over this side. They got a bike lane, so. Yeah, I'm not going that fast. Only reason why, because Florida people can't drive, bro. Like, you'll be surprised. Like, plus I gotta get on this side. I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. Get right over here, and I'm gonna turn. I gotta turn anyway. Honestly, I'm just cruising. I don't like going fast around here. Because people don't know how to drive, bro. Honestly, I like going fast like when it's like dark time and like nobody on the road and it's like 4 in the morning. crazy part is though, I gotta get over. Yeah, I'm gonna get over. You know what? I'm gonna get over. Also, bro, the what I was about to say, that clip that got like, I think 200K on it that I felt, it was like a hole in the grass. I mean, if you look at the video, there's a video of it, but it's like a hole in the grass, bro, and it's like covered, like it looked like basically grass like that. You won't be able to see it. You'll think you could just run. You be like, oh, okay, and then boom. That's another way. That's another time like I don't like really riding in the grass. It don't care, bro. I don't care what kind of tires you got. Like you can have like tires that's like for ride inside this. If that grass is not flat and you can't see that hole, I'll guarantee you gonna flip too. You gonna flip. And I go, oh no. Is it green for me? It was. I feel like United States should do like a bike lane. I don't know what I just pressed. Oh, I pressed eco, but okay. I feel like you know how like other countries basically like have a bike lane, and it's like for like only bikes and mopeds, and they also have a road for it. Bro, that's like the best thing I ever seen. I feel like they should do that, bro. Because people in cars don't know how to drive for some reason, especially in Florida. But by the time that even happened, bro, I'll probably be long gone. But I feel like they should do that in some states. Alright, bro, I gotta watch out for iguanas going fast like this. They everywhere. Look, see? Bro, they like little babies. I can't even go there. I'm on a scooter, so I can't even go that like fast like how I'll be going on a bike, because I can run them over with my bike and keep going. But with a scooter, you cannot do that shit, bro. You'll end up falling. Bro, I'd be scared to go on a unicycle. Them unicycles people be riding on. Going through here. One wheel too. Yeah, I feel bad for you. Big trail back here. I had to slow it down because I'm going into traffic. No iguanas. But there go one. Uh-oh. I can't see. This is why I can't go fast, bro. So many freaking iguanas. And that is why I don't go fast with the scooter. Ew, look. They come again. Oh, almost got hit in the face with a tree. Feeling like an iguana attack going through there.